Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop PayPal holding funds. First, always provide tracking information for physical goods. This helps PayPal confirm delivery, often releasing your money within 24 hours of delivery confirmation. For services or digital items, mark them as processed or completed in your transaction details. This simple step can significantly speed up access to your funds, usually within 7 days. PayPal holds funds for several reasons, primarily to ensure buyer and seller security. New seller accounts, for instance, often have funds held for up to 21 days while establishing a positive history. High-value items, like those over $1,000 or sudden increases in sales volume, can also trigger security reviews. Additionally, buyer disputes or claims will temporarily hold funds until resolution. To release held funds, the quickest method is to add tracking information to your transaction. Once the item is delivered, funds are typically available within 24 hours. For services or digital products, mark the order as fulfilled. If PayPal requests additional information, respond promptly. This can significantly expedite the release process. Always ensure your shipping details are accurate. To prevent future holds, focus on building a strong selling history with positive buyer feedback. Verify your identity and link a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. This increases trust. Provide excellent customer service, responding to inquiries within 24 hours. Ship items promptly, ideally within 2 business days, using reliable carriers. Consistent good practices reduce the likelihood of future holds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.